Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, this video is not going to be like a normal video. Of course, I have somebody with me, so it's going to be a little bit different. As you read by the title, today's video is going to be a challenge. We're going to go ahead and do the 5-minute makeup challenge. So I'm going to do one side, Ken's going to do the other side, and that's why it's 5 minutes rather than 10 minutes. I think that's it. Do you have anything to say?
I'm just here to perform. That's it.
Who do you think's gonna do better? Since it's 5 minutes.
I can draw, so just throwing that out there.
Okay. Okay, so I guess I'll go first. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, and then he's gonna do this side after I get finished. So I am gonna go ahead and be timed. We're just gonna put it on my phone. So I do have to say one thing before I go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna name a couple of products that I have out here. That way y'all kind of know. It's kind of just my basics that I use in every single video in a way. As always, I have the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill, BH Total Coverage Concealer, foundation, just the norm of literally everything that I use. Ready? What's that? Go. You're just gonna have to tell me.
Tell you what? Oh, when the time's up?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, of course.
I'm shaking.
I thought you were only doing one side of your face.
I'm wasting time, I'm wasting time, I'm wasting time. Oh my god. How much time do I have left?
4 minutes.
4 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, thank god you said something.
So that would be pretty cool. That's what we were discussing earlier. This is the quickest I've ever seen you move when it comes to having your makeup.
So, let's see. Let me ask you a question. How much time do I got left?
2 minutes and 45 seconds. Dang. Girl's going in. Bronze. Am I gonna do my face? My half of my face?
No, you're gonna do the other half of my face, babe.
Okay.
How much time do I have left?
2 minutes.
2 minutes? And I'm almost done. So then I gotta do one on my eyebrows. Oh, and by the way, guys, randomness, because I know that you all have seen me use the Anastasia Brow Definer in some of, well, actually my first video. I have been using this new product that I found just laying around. And it's the Chella Beauty Tantalizing Eyebrow Cream. And honestly, I'm preferring it more than the brow definer. Just because it looks more... What does it look like? More like my eyebrow, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Rather than just looking like...
It was drawn on or...
Yeah. How much should I have?
50 seconds.
I'm kind of happy that I didn't give us 10 minutes to do
Yeah.
one side.
10 minutes now. Should have been 3 minutes.
3
Not
minutes?
5. Yeah.
Why? It usually take like 10 minutes for one person to do. Like usually the challenge is 10 minutes.
Yeah, but the point of it is to see how fast you can do it.
Yeah,
10 minutes
I know.
is enough time. Even if it takes a girl 30 minutes, 10 minutes is still enough time if they do it quick enough. In my opinion. But I'm a guy, what do I know about makeup? I just
raining?
buy the shit. It's raining.
It's raining.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so literally, like now the camera's not fixing. Literally, I did almost everything. You know what? One thing I forgot, and rather than doing my brows, I could have put on lashes.
Yeah.
Because literally everybody knows that lashes and wing and brows are like my staple. So for me to forget lashes sucks. I don't know. So this is my side. And let's see how good you're gonna do because you don't ever do makeup, you just watch me do it.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's crazy because I don't even know what to grab first.
Well, see, that's the only thing because I kind of cheated because I didn't like moisturize my face, I didn't prime my lids, I didn't put on concealer, but I kind of did like what it takes to look like a full face of makeup. What do you think? What do you think about it?
It's nice, it's decent.
It looks good?
I guess.
Like I can go out like this and you won't say anything?
Nah, I won't say anything.
Okay, so you get this in my face. You tell me when you're ready. Do you want me to move? Here, I'll move this. Do you know what to start off with first? Or what's what? This is gonna be freaking hilarious. And at the end, guys, y'all are gonna have to tell me in the comments, on Twitter, on Instagram, something, who did this better. Okay, do you need this? You don't need this, right?
What's that?
It's just the palette.
Oh, this is the palette now.
No? Okay. You ready? Oh wait, let me... You ready?
Yeah, I guess so.
Set. Go.
Oh, God.
Okay, so... So he's using
Oh,
the
that's too thick.
Lottie London Duo Stamp Liner and
Whatever.
doing my wing first. I'm just gonna zoom it in just a little bit. He's doing my wing first. And now he's putting on, what did you grab?
Whatever looked like the same skin tone as your
So,
face.
he's guys, he grabbed my Ciate London thing. I'm not gonna say what it is because then you're gonna try to correct yourself.
It's bronzer.
Yeah.
I know.
And now he just grabbed my highlight and he's putting highlight all over my face.
Oh, this is what I should be using right here. Conceal.
He just found my concealer.
Yeah.
So. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my god. Looks like I'm gonna have to be cleaning my brushes.
Oh God. Haters gonna hate.
You have 3 minutes. And
Haters
30.
gonna say it's photoshopped. I'm out here killing the game. This one.
Like you're beating my face up.
That's the technique. It's called beating.
Ow. Oh my god. So he's using concealer as a foundation, guys. Oh my god. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. Okay, baby.
Whatever. I just used that.
Yeah, you just used that.
Shut up. What, I feel like there's no products that... Oh.
You just found the foundation.
Oh.
What in the world?
There we go. You could go out like this.
Can I?
Mm-hmm. You get all the old guys.
Ew. Why do I need any guys when I got you? Okay.
Right? You're messing me up. You're messing with my time.
Sorry.
You're messing with my time, girl.
Sorry. Oh my god. That's the first time that anybody's ever seen mascara used on my channel because I don't ever use mascara.
It's always good
What are you missing?
to start something new.
What are you looking for?
Don't worry about it. I'll
Okay.
find it.
You got 1 minute and 46 seconds. Oh, he's going with the dark lipstick. I'm kind of scared.
Ew.
Okay.
Dude. You're messing me up. Alright, that's points for me.
Okay, I'll give you points. Here, I'll do this. Babe.
Yeah, that works.
Okay. You got 1 minute left. What are you missing? What are you looking for? Are you looking for this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
He literally grabbed the liner like 5 different times trying to look for the eyebrow. What do I do if it's too much? I'm helping you out here, babe. What do I use if it's too much?
It's not. Let's use a wipe.
No, I'm not talking about like to clean it, but like to like disperse the product.
Crickets.
Yeah, crickets. Ten, not 8, 7, 6, 5,
You're a hater.
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So he added a little star on here. So this is honestly, babe, that brow
Yeah, I know.
is not that bad. It's not that bad. Let's zoom in. Okay. So this, I knew this would come in handy. This is his side.
Raw.
So this is on my side. Y'all tell me who y'all think did better. And yes, I do owe you points because I couldn't stop laughing while you were trying to do my lipstick. So let's say he did like a full thing of like put lipstick all over because I was cheating in a way. So y'all tell me who did it better. Honestly, I think I won.
So, I won't be deciding.
Okay. Okay, guys. So y'all tell me who did it better. So this is basically our, well, I'd say our first challenge. My first challenge on this channel. Let's see. Do you have anything to say?
No. Just here to take my trophy.
What trophy?
The trophy that I won for best makeup of all times. Best makeup artist of all time.
Okay. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. And comment on either here or my tweet me or comment on my Instagram somewhere who did it better. And guys, I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'll catch y'all guys in the... Why do you look like that?
Like what?
Like, scary. Are you staring at me into the lens? Hey guys, what is up? And welcome back to my channel. You distracted me. Oh, shit. I am gonna go ahead and be always. Bye.